Hey everybody, I'm your tech news guru here on Mini Nova Studio, and basically what we're going to do to help you with your iPhone today is set up guided access. But before we jump into that, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell to get all of our notifications of when we put up a new video for you. Right now our dog videos are doing pretty well, I gotta say, they're pretty funny. But before we get on to that, let's jump right into this. All the information that you need is going to be right here on the screen. So let's get you rolling, okay? One of the things you really don't want to do is to hand your phone over to anybody, okay? Make sure if you're going to do that, you set up guided access. Guided access will lock everything out so they can't get into your phone and look at your naughty pictures that you got. Yeah, you know who you are. But let's get this set up, okay? You're going to go into settings, down to accessibility, then go down to guided access, right? Make sure guided access is turned on. Now go into an app, triple tap the side button to enter guided access mode. You'll see as one of the options there. The first time you do this, and only the first time, is that everything will be turned off, okay? So then start. Enter a passcode, create your passcode, and verify. Now you're in guided access mode, so no buttons on the buttons or anything like that will work on your phone. The only way you can get back into it is triple tap the side button 3 times, enter the special passcode, then tap enter. Now go back into it and you hit the button, it'll go into guided access mode and it'll lock everybody out, okay? Now when you get your phone back and you're ready to use it, basically triple tap the side button and your phone will work. Oh, don't forget, enter your passcode. Alright, so what we know here, this is the best way to secure your phone when you hand it to other people, or if you have to put it in a location like you go some places and they don't want the phone, you can put it in there and you'll be all set to go. Alright, hey, I'm your tech news guru with all the information up here. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you again.